Okay, find the area of the region lying to the right of blah, 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 to the left of blah, blah, blah. So what are we going to do? I'm going to graph these out. All right, one thing at a time, by the way. And then I'll try to understand what the language is saying to me. So that's going to be x equals y squared minus 5. So I'm going to say, relatively simple. I mean, I could put this down, you know, minus 5's over here. And, you know, if y is 0, the x would be minus 5. And then you get a curve that looks sort of like this over here. And then we put the other one down. And the other one is going to be, by the way, this is this curve over here. We're going to do this curve now. That's going to be, let's see, 3 over here. And this thing goes like this. And I'm wondering, where does it intersect? All right, so I'm going to put that down next. So y squared minus 5 would equal 3 minus y squared. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add y squared to both sides. You get 2y squared. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. You get 8. And y squared would equal 4. So y would be plus or minus 2. And let me put the points down for you. So if y is 2, there's 2 points, by the way, and minus 2. Pick any curve you like. I'm going to pick this one over here. So if y is 2, you would get minus 1. If y is minus 2, you're still going to get minus 1. So what do I know about this thing over here? There's an intersecting point over here. Let me put this down over here. Again, not the greatest picture in the world, but it doesn't have to be. So what I'm noticing over here is I got a point here, and this point over here is, you know, minus 1, 2. And this point over here is minus 1, minus 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my rectangles. I'll use a red pen now, this way. All right, let's write this down now. I'm going to put my integration down. And, you know, we're starting from minus 2 and going up to 2. The upper curve is this one here. And what's that curve going to be? It's actually 3 minus y squared. Minus the lower curve, which is this curve over here, which is y squared minus 5, and the differential is dy. Right, that's my integration, and I got to do it. And we're going to simplify the integrand first. So minus 2 to 2. And what do you get? You're going to get 8 minus 2y squared dy equals 8y, the antiderivative, minus 2y cubed over 3, limit integration minus 2 to 2. And let's go to town on it. What do we get? We're going to get 16 minus, we're doing 2 now, that's going to be 16 thirds, minus, well, it's going to be minus 16 plus 16 thirds. What do you get over there? 16 minus a minus 16 is going to be 32. And then you're going to get minus 16 thirds, which is minus 32 thirds. And what are you going to get there? Certainly thirds. And you're going to get 64 thirds. All right, let's look at the key, see how we're doing. You know, did we set the integration up right? Whoops, sorry about that. Were we able to set the integration up correctly? Yep, we got that. Again, kind of just checking through. Did we get the antiderivative? Yeah, we got that. Were we able to do the evaluation? Yes, we were able to do the evaluation. Thank you.